Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.4. Now we discuss question number 2. Write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Cos A equal to 1 upon sec A. Cos A in terms of sec A, we can write 1 upon sec A. This is your answer. Now, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Now, we write 1 as 1 upon 1 minus cos square A 1 upon sec square A. 1 upon sec square A. Take sec square A as LCM. So, we write sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A. Now, sin A equal to root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Root of sec square A cancel out by square, so we write sec A. This is your required answer. Now, cosec A. Cosec A can be write 1 upon sin A. 1 upon sin A, this is your formula. And value of sin A is 1 upon root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Now, reciprocal of root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A can be write sec A upon root sec square A minus 1. This is your answer. Tan A equal to sin A upon cos A. This is your formula of tan A. So, value of sin A is root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. And value of cos A is 1 upon sec A. So, we write 1 upon sec A. Now, root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A multiply reciprocal of 1 upon sec A, can you write sec A upon 1. Sec A cancel out. So, we get tan A equal to root of sec square A minus 1. This is your answer. Now, we write cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. And value of tan A is root of sec square A minus 1. So, we write 1 upon A root sec square A minus 1. This is your answer. Now, we discuss this question by second method. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base. First, we draw a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree and base angle is A. So, AB is base, BC is perpendicular and angle opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree known as hypotenuse. So, AC is hypotenuse. Sec A equal to hypotenuse upon base and we write sec A in the form of K sec A upon K is equal to hypotenuse upon base, where K is constant by Pythagoras theorem. Base square plus perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. Base K square plus perpendicular BC whole square is equal to H. Value of H is K sec A. So, we write K sec A, K square sec square. H square means K square sec square A. Now, BC square is equal to K square sec square A minus K square. Transpose of K square to the right side, change with the sign, that is minus K square. Take K square common, we get sec square A minus 1. BC equal to root of K square is K and root of sec square A minus 1. BC equal to K root of sec square A minus 1. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular BC upon AC. So, we write BC is K root sec square A minus 1 upon hypotenuse K sec A. So, we write K sec A. K cancel out, we get root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. This is your value of sin A. Now, cos A cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Base is k upon hypotenuse k sec A. Base upon hypotenuse k upon k sec A. K cancel out, we get 1 upon sec A. Now tan A perpendicular upon base, perpendicular BC upon AB. BC, value of BC k root sec square A minus 1, k root sec square A minus 1 upon base k. So we write k cancel out, we get tan A equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Now cot A equal to base upon perpendicular. So we write base is k and perpendicular is k root sec square A minus 1. So we write k upon k root sec square A minus 1. K cancel out, we get cot A equal to 1 upon root sec square A minus 1. Cosec A is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So we write hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse k sec A. Perpendicular BC k root sec square A minus 1. So we write BC k root sec square A minus 1. K root sec square A minus 1. K cancel out, we get sec A upon root sec square A minus 1. This is the value of cosec A. Now we discuss question number 3rd, part 1. Sin square 60 degree plus sin square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Now we write sin square 63 as it is. Sin square 27 can be write 90 minus 60 degree. Complement angle of 27 degree is 63. So we write 90 degree minus 63 degree. Now cos square 17, so we write cos square 90 minus 73 degree. Complement angle of 17 degree is 73 degree. So we write 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree as it is. Sin square 63 degree as it is plus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we write sin square 90 minus theta can be cos square theta. Theta is 63. So we write cos square 63 plus upon cos square 90 minus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we write cos square 90 minus theta, that is sin square theta. Theta is 73 degree. Sin square 73 degree. Cos square 73 degree as it is. We know that very well. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is your sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we write 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we write also 1. 1 upon 1, that is 1. This is your required answer. Now second part. Sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. So we write sin 25 as it is. Cos 65, complement angle of 65 degrees 25 degrees. So we write cos 65 as cos 90 minus 25 degree plus cos 25 degree as it is. Sin 65, complement angle of 65 degree is 25 degree. So we write sin 90 minus 25 degree. This is your 25 degree. 90 minus 25 degree. Sin 25 degree as it is. Cos 90 degree minus theta can be write sin theta. Theta is 25 degree plus cos 25 degree. Sin 90 minus theta can be write cos theta. Cos 25 degree. Sin theta into sin theta can be write sin square theta. Sin square 25 degree plus cos theta into cos theta can be write cos square theta. We know that very well. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So we write sin square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree is 1. This is your answer. Now fourth part. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. Take 9 as common. Sec square A minus tan square A. And value of sec square A minus tan square A is 1. 9 1 is 9. 9. Option B is correct. So we write option B is correct. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 8.4 in your fair notebook. Thank you.